Hey there, if you're suffering from alopecia, dry hair, damaged hair, then this video is for you. Don't click away except if you are not ready to enjoy massive hair growth. So welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about how to use garlic and just onions to boost your hair, to improve your hair quality, encourage hair growth and promote hair growth generally. Now, there's a study or research has shown that applying 5% of garlic gel to areas with hair loss or where you experience hair loss will help to promote hair regrowth or hair growth. Now, what it means is that when you're applying garlic in areas where you have baldness or bald areas, it helps to reduce the size of the bad patches and also increase the hair count in the area. Now, it has also been proven that garlic contains sulphur and selenium, which helps to strengthen the hair shafts and improve hair growth generally. The second item we'll be using in this video together with the garlic is simply the onions that can be found in your house. It could either be any of the onions, either the brown one or red one as what some people call it, or the white one. Research has shown that onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong hair and thick hair. You understand? Onions juice or the extract from onions juice also helps to prevent hair loss, and then it helps to encourage hair growth because onions contain sulfur and also helps in collagen production. On the other hand, collagen is like a chemical, which is a natural chemical that helps for the production of healthy skin cells, which in turn helps hair growth. Now, the next thing we want to do is to cut the onion and garlic into smaller particles so that it will be easier for us to extract all the benefits or all the juice from the two ingredients. Now, one of the reasons why we are combining onions and garlic in this hair treatment is because, number one, onions and garlic help to stop hair loss. If you're having hair thinning or you're having some bad spots around some areas in your hair, then onions and garlic is just the combo that is going to do the magic. It helps to take care of bad spots and stop hair thinning. Secondly, onions and garlic helps to stimulate hair growth, and that's one of the very critical properties that both of them contain. Thirdly, onions and garlic help your body to produce collagen. It helps your body with the production of collagen. It makes it very easy for your body to produce collagen. Now, collagen is more or less like I'll call it a natural chemical that helps for the production of good hair follicles around your scalp. So if you want to ensure that your scalp produce good hair follicles, then you don't want to miss this hair treatment process. So please stay to the end so that you can see how we are doing it. Now, the fourth thing here is that onions and garlic help to fight scalp infection, and as well as it helps to heal wounds around your scalp. So if you're having issues around your scalp, it could be infections or some wounds. Sometimes these wounds can be very small that you don't get to know or you don't get to feel it. So the good thing here is that when you apply this treatment, it goes deep into your scalp, penetrates into your scalp, and heals all the wounds, both visible and invisible. So it helps to soothe the scalp and prepare it for good hair production. The fifth item here is that onions and garlic boost circulation, that's blood circulation of the scalp. If you want to really enjoy massive hair growth, then you should do anything possible to ensure that there's proper blood flow in your scalp, because that promotes hair growth. So after doing this, after cutting them into smaller particles, the next thing you want to do is to add some quantity of water. You can see that we've cut them into smaller particles because it will be easier for us to either blend it or use the manual grater to grate it. So I'll be adding half glass of water into the particles of onions and garlic. Remember, I used 1 onions and three garlics, so that's the ratio, and half glass of water. So after blending them, you don't have to blend them very smooth, but you can just blend them and to some certain level. Then the next thing you want to do is to sieve them so that you can take out the solid particles from the juice. So with my sieve and my clothes sieve, as a combination of both, I'll be sieve the particles out of the water because I don't want the solid particles to pass through the be part of the hair treatment, because I don't want some leftovers or some particles on my hair by the time I use it. So after doing that, the next thing you want to do is to store it into an applicator bottle so that it will be easier for you to apply, so that it will be easier for you to also preserve. By the time you are not using it, or you can produce the quantity that you need at a moment or at a time. But if you can't exhaust them, or if you are not able to exhaust the quantity that you have produced, you can also preserve it by just keeping it inside the refrigerator. That can do, at least it will stay. But don't allow the water to stay more than 7 days. So make sure you exhaust it before the end of 7 days, so that it will still be fresh and all the nutrients will still be intact. Now, one of the challenges most people do experience when they are using onions for hair treatment is the smell. Most people don't like the smell, so they tell you that they don't want the smell, or they don't want to use onions because of the smell. So one of the things you do to mask the smell, that is to hide it from disturbing you, is to use oils like the olive oil or lavender oil, or any other oil that you feel is suitable for your hair type, or you like the smell. So that is one of the things you can do, and then it helps to mask the smell. So one of the ways you can achieve the best result from this is to apply it at least every night before you sleep. So I would recommend you apply it last thing in the night after taking your bath, washing your hair. Allow your hair to dry. After your hair must have dried, then apply this and wear a shower cap before laying down. So you don't wash it off until the next morning when you're preparing for work. You wash it off. Remember, please apply some hair oil into the regimen so that it will help keep your hair moisturized. So apply it overnight and then wash it off in the morning. And after that, also remember to moisturize your hair with any good hair oil. Lastly, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you get to see more of my videos. Thank you.